Hi, it's Hannah. So for today's video, I'll be sharing the best and easiest way to clean your nail art brushes, along with some tips to keep them looking brand new. So let's get started. First, you will need a small glass cup or container, along with some acetone-free polish remover, which will be poured into the cup. Rule of thumb is to clean your brushes before the polish dries, so try to keep that in mind and clean them right after you use them to help preserve the bristles. All you need to do is dip the brush into the remover and swirl it around a little bit, then gently tap it onto the bottom of the glass cup to remove all of the polish. After that, dab the brush onto a paper towel to soak up the polish remover. Next, apply some cuticle oil to a piece of foil and saturate the brush. This will keep the bristles from drying out. Then just dab the excess onto a paper towel. Now shape the bristles so the brush will retain its original form. If you do have some brushes with dried polish on them, don't worry, you can still get it off. You'll just need to take a little more time in letting the brush soak in the remover so that it will dissolve the polish. Make sure to not swirl or tap the brush too aggressively because you may damage the bristles. I did that one time and the bristles were going every which way afterwards, so I definitely learned from experience. Also, I recommend acetone-free polish remover since it's less harsh on the brush and won't be as drying. Removers with acetone or 100% acetone can ruin the bristles over time depending on the material it's made out of. Another product that you can use is polish thinner. This works just as good as polish remover, but I find that it's not as easily found in stores, so you'll probably have to order it online. Unless you have a Sally Beauty near you, which is where I always get mine. So that's it for this video. I really hope it helps you out to see how I clean my brushes. Be sure to find me on social and tag me your nail pictures. I'd love to see them. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye!